What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I saw last time, the motor's in, the car ran, I got some coilovers on the way, and now I'm working on the cluster. A lot of creative cutting and gutting. I made this gizmo. Sorry that there's no time lapse, but, So, hold on, phone call. Yeah, this is the bezel. Let me flip this. So here is the bezel I made. So a lot of blue tape and a lot of kitty hair fiberglass. That's what the brown shit is. So I had to cut all this up and out and down, and then the whole bottom was literally cut out. So that way I needed an extra 1.5 inches, and this fits on there like that. Spiffy, right? So then we take my slightly modified cluster here. I will make a new front face for this, but pretty much this can drop into here like that. Get it off the speedo cable. That sits like that, and this, come on, a lot easier to do it with two hands. Let's see if I can set you up. So almost awkward fits. Boom. There we go. I have a cluster. I need to get some clear plexi that I'll probably put on top. I believe I have enough gap that I can fit that underneath. So, because that sits kind of far deep in there, like that. So, I got the room. The plexi should fit underneath, but that is going to be my speedo cluster. Pretty cool, right? Whoa. So I had to gain like that much more because of the depth, and I got enough thin sheet metal or tape and more underbody Raptor liner, and then I can have a cool looking cluster. So once again, this will actually screw together and whatnot. How cool is that, right? So other than filling in the corners, like I said, I got some thin metal, or thin metal, some crazy glue or CL glue, trademark, blah blah blah. And like I said, I still got a gang load of Raptor liner up there, and then I also have the Herculiner, which I don't have to burn up a whole bottle using just to paint a square foot. But anyways, people, that is what I'm up to. Safety first, and let me put that in the car so you can see exactly what it looks like. Hold on. So, as you see, that's what it looks like. I think that's pretty cool. The bolts line up. I just had to gain a little extra fatness, but yeah, I think that's fucking awesome. So like I said, I'll make a filler panel. It doesn't have to be that pretty. Black comes off. Filler panel, texture spray. I was going to use some carbon fiber, but I don't feel like getting that shit on me. So, if I really cut, fit a 3rd or 4th gauge, but I think we're good right there. I think that's pretty cool looking. And yeah, as much as I would love to go with a digital Dakota or something like that, that's $700 and something. Maybe later. I got $21 into making this right now because I ran out of the fiberglass kitty hair stuff because I wanted some structure, not just the Bondo. Well, Bondo glass. So I'm actually using Bondo. There are lighter weight fillers that would make life easier, but for $21 out the door, it's not bad. So hope you like what's going on. Oh, and then I spent a bunch of money on one of these. Don't get in one of those, or get in one of those if you can't stick with one of these, I should say. Anyways, I'll make a video of how much I like the car and what kind of mods I did to the RC car. But anyways, peace out till next time. Thanks for liking, subscribing.